calculate voltage imbalance using the given data, you should use the following steps. Firstly, calculate the average voltage. Calculate the average of the minimum, maximum, and average voltages for each phase using the formula AVGmin plus AVGmax plus AVG divided by 3. Let's say the calculated average voltages are AVGAV, AVGBC, and AVGCA. Then calculate the overall average voltage using the formula AVGAV plus AVGBC plus AVGCA divided by 3. Secondly, determine the maximum voltage deviation. Find the largest absolute difference between each phase's average voltage and the overall average voltage. Let's say the maximum deviation is max deviation. Thirdly, calculate the voltage imbalance percentage. Use the formula voltage imbalance percent equals 100 multiplied by max deviation / overall average voltage. For example, if you have the following data for the 3 phases, AVG min ab equals 455 volts, AVG max ab equals 460 volts, and AVGAB equals 455 plus 460 plus 469 divided by 3, which equals 461.33 volts. Then AVG min equals 460 volts, AVG max equals 465 volts, and AVGBC equals 460 plus 465 plus 470 divided by 3, which equals 465 volts. Lastly, AVG min equals 492 volts, AVG max equals 497 volts, and AVGCA equals 492 plus 497 plus 502 divided by 3, which equals 500.33 volts. Then the overall average voltage is 461.33 plus 465 plus 500.33 divided by 3, which equals 475.55 volts. The maximum deviation is max deviation equals 500.33 475.55, which equals 24.78 volts. And the voltage imbalance percentage is voltage imbalance percent equals 100 multiplied by 24.78 / 475.55, which equals 5.21%.